Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Huawei Nova Y70. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Huawei Nova Y70 and you are looking for how to change language. In order to do that, you need to click in your Huawei Nova Y70 settings section. After click over there, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something, say system and update. After click over there, you're going to find here something, say language and input, and then you're going to see first screen which is say language and region, and my one currently English. If you decide to add new language, you can click here add language and you can easily choose any language you want. For example, I'm going to choose here Bosnian and I'm going to click here change. Now you can see my phone successfully changed English to Bosnian key, which is actually I did this because I want to share with you. Might be your phone language is different and you are looking for how to change it to English and you don't know that exists language you have in your phone. In order to change this language, I will share with you. You need to follow some trick. You need to follow the icons, and with that icons you can easily change your phone language. First of all, you need to find out this gear icon, which is a setting icon. So you're going to click over on it. After click over on it, you need to scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find this is the other gear icon, which is the system. So you're going to click over on it, and then we need to click this third. This is 1 2 3. So you need to click here 3, and then you need to click again this first one, and then you're going to see the English. If English is not there, you can click this blue icon and find out the English language from here, and you can easily choose there. I already have, so I'm going to choose this English, and then we're going to see my phone language successfully change Bosnian key to English, even I don't know that language. So in this simple way you can easily change language in your Huawei Nova Y70. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.